Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I'm looking like a glazed donut right now, I know, because I just moisturized my face. I've been getting a few questions from y'all who want to know what do I do whenever I'm getting ready in the morning and I didn't style my hair the night before. Last night I did nothing to my hair. I was so exhausted. Y'all are just gonna be getting ready with me this morning while I do my makeup and my hair, and I'll show you what I do to my locks in the morning to style for the day whenever I didn't do anything the night before. My lashes are a little bit sparse in some areas, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fill that in. I'm gonna be using these Ardell individuals. These are not free. I love these. Then if I feel like I need to add some more volume, I'll go in with these. These are just like the same thing, but these are like clusters of 3. And I have a video on how I do this if y'all would like to check that out. It's really simple. I've gotten so fast at it, y'all, and it lasts for about a week and a half to 2 weeks. Okay, so I was able to fill my lashes in. You can really tell on this one because I feel like there was like a big gap right here. So that's done. I already moisturized my face, that's why it's glistening. Lately I've been using 2 concealers. This one is the Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish by e.l.f. and then this one is the Makeup Forever concealer that I always use. This one matches my skin tone really well. This one is just a little bit brighter, so I only like to go in with this one in certain areas like the corners. And then I'm gonna blend that out a little bit with my beauty blender. And then I'm gonna go in with the one that actually matches me a little bit better, and I'm gonna go right here, like in the middle, just to fill in the spaces a little bit. And I'm also gonna wet this beauty blender just a tiny bit. And I'm sure y'all can tell that that matches a lot better. My makeup routine is so simple, y'all. It really takes me like no time. And also, this beauty blender is stained really badly, so it used to be white. So it is clean. I know that it looks like it's dirty all the time, but I do wash my makeup brushes and my beauty blenders. I promise y'all, it's just stained brown. I like to just conceal under my eyes. For an everyday look, I don't put concealer anywhere else. And then normally on an everyday basis, I don't put makeup on my forehead whatsoever. Some people think that that's weird, but I just don't. Just because I feel like it's unnecessary, and like my forehead gets so oily. Sometimes I just don't want my makeup to be slipping and sliding and stuff because my forehead gets so oily. Forgive me, y'all, I'm like a little bit far away from my mirror, so I have to use like my viewfinder as my mirror. So I'm not looking at you right here, I'm looking up here, that's why. My nose, it gets really red right here around my nose, so I'm just gonna try to conceal that a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever powder, and I just put it in the areas that my concealer. That's just gonna be underneath my eye. Then I'm gonna just put some right here on my nose because I put concealer here too. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and put blush on. This is the Black Radiance Beauty Artisan Color Baked Blush in the shade Toasted Almond. I know you're supposed to put your blush like all up here and lift up, but I just like to put it on my cheek. Look at that hair sticking out right there. Oh, what else do I do? If I'm going out of order, y'all, don't even mind me. This is how I do my makeup, okay? I'm going in with this palette from Beauty Bakery. This eyeshadow palette has such beautiful colors. I need to have time. I need to make time to like actually play in it, but I'm just gonna go with the safe color today just to give my eyes a little bit more dimension. I think I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go in for this one. This shade kind of matches my blush a little bit, so I really like that. I'm tempted to add a little bit of this sparkle, like in my corner. I want to do a little bit, tiny bit. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with this Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Eyeliner by LA Girl. This is just the black eyeliner. This is gonna darken up my eyes a little bit. I like how intense it makes my eyes look, so I actually have been using this pretty much every day. Even though some may argue that lining your eyes with a black eyeliner is more so of like a nighttime look. And then the last step for my eyes is to add some mascara. This is the Merit Beauty mascara. Final step of my makeup routine, it's my lips. I like to use this Beauty Bakery liquid lipstick. It's brown and it's in the shade Truffle Maker. I'm gonna line my lips with this, and you have to be really careful with this, y'all, because as soon as you put this on, it's really hard to take off. So I just like to line my lips with this, and I like to take a lot of the product off. I'm gonna go in with this NYX Lingerie lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick and it's in the shade Ruffled Trim. Now I'm going to do my hair. This is what we got right now. Literally didn't do anything to it last night, so what I'm gonna do is spray my hair with what I have left of this rose water because I'm running out. I need to get some more. Nothing is coming out. I'm all out of this. Nothing's coming out of this one either. I'm all out. Okay. Anyway. So, as far as styling my hair goes, honestly, y'all see what I just did? I just took it out of that bun and I just shaked it or shook it. That's pretty much it. That's all I'm gonna do. That's it. As you can see, I literally just wake up, take my hair out of the bun, shake, and go, which is one of the many perks to having locks, I think. I don't know if it's just me, but one side of my hair, like this side is thicker, so this side looks longer most of the time. And then also if I go like this, my hair is kind of uneven because I cut this side before I started my locks, so it looks a little funny sometimes. But ultimately, this is just how I'm gonna go today. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll talk to y'all in my next one, and I'm out.
If you're doing what everyone else is doing, you're doing it wrong.
One of the best to ever do it.